Hey, welcome to Bigelow Woodcraft. I'm Jerry, and this is our summer series in the winter. We're in West Michigan here. I'm sure it's cold and miserable out right now, but I'm bringing you some green footage, some footage that was taken in the summertime. Hopefully it will pique your spirits on these long, dark, winter cold days here in West Michigan or wherever you're from. So let's see what we have on the mill. So we have a white oak. 12.5 by 9 feet. 12.5, 9 feet long. We're making 4x4 posts out of it. We're going to be able to get a 7-inch cant with no problem. In fact, it's probably going to be 9 inches. So we're going to get 4 4x4s with no problem at all. So let's turn it into something. This should make some pretty good 4x4 posts. These are fence posts. Now, let's keep our fingers crossed we don't break any blades. I went through a big, long streak of breaking lots of blades last summer, and I thought I got it ironed out, and I went for a couple of weeks with no breakage, and yesterday I had 2 broken bands. These are Ripper 37s. As you know, I've had a lot of grief with them. The Norwoods never broke like this, the Sabertooth, but they also didn't cut as well either for as long, I don't think. So I'm thinking maybe these are a little harder. Everything checks out on my mill. The blade guides in the back are 1/8 of an inch off. The gap between the blade and the blade guide, I try to get them about 10 thousandths. So we're really close there. I don't know. I put new belts on, but hey, I still broke 2 bands yesterday. Also, I'm only putting 17.5 foot-pounds of torque. As you may have seen me at the beginning of the video, I torque them now with a torque wrench, and I've been going with that. Like I said, I was having great luck. So hopefully we don't break anything today on this cold, blustery day in West Michigan. So as we go, I have an outfeed table here and an outfeed table there. This outfeed table is for the slabs. I turn them 90 degrees and run them off this way. This outfeed table is for the finished product, and all I do is tilt them and run them down and put them on some sawhorses for some stacking. Fire it up. Where's the scraper? There it is. Keep your logs clean, guys, or your lumber clean. It won't get as moldy on you. I try to scrape it off. That'll do it, guys. We ended up getting 4 4x4s, 2 2x4s, and 2 1-inch by 9-inch by 9-foot long clear oak boards. White oak. The reason this is white oak is these are fence posts. These are going in the ground. We'll burn them up to about 3 feet. That gives us 6 feet sticking out for our dog ear fence. That's a 5-foot dog ear fence. I think it's going to work. We need, I think, 20 of these, and I think that puts us at about 16 good, 12 good ones, and maybe 16 total so far with some waning. We won't use the waning ones on the fence posts. I'll use that for dunnage and cribbing and things like that. So hopefully you're staying warm on this January 14th day. It's cold in West Michigan, and right now it feels really good, though. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.